Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to tell you that how you can download the Chase and play it on your PC. So let's start. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to install the BlueStack on your PC, and after installing that, you will be able to do that. So let's start. So I'm gonna open the BlueStack. So you have to write the BlueStack. This is the BlueStack. So let's click on this, and after clicking on this, you have to wait for a few seconds until it loads. So as you can see, it's loading. We have to wait. Now it's done. So as you can see, the BlueStack is open. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna make the screen full, and after doing that, as you can see, has the option, has the search bar. So we have to click on the search bar, and after clicking on this, as you can see, we have to write the Chase here. So I'm gonna write the Chase. So as you can see, the Chase here, and you will see the different games. So as you can see, I have searched this here. So I'm going to write the full spelling, and now you will see. So as you can see, there are a lot of suggestions. You have to play the suggestion. You have to open them and check them as per your need, as per your requirement. So for example, what I'm going to do, I'm going to open this one, Chase Play and Learn. So we have to click on this, as we can play and learn as well. So as you can see, has the button for the install on app player. We have to click on this, and after clicking on this, we have to wait for a few seconds. So as you can see, it's loading. We have to wait again. This one is known as a splash screen. So as you can see, now it's here, and now what we need to do, we have to click on the install, and after clicking on install, the installation process will be installed. So after completion of installation process, the game will be ready, and you just have to play and the game will be started. So I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can download and install this game on your PC. So see you guys in the next video.